ProudNumbers is a Sage 50C add-on that offers analytical support with deep insight into the company's business performance and business opportunities. ProudNumbers automatically generates financial reports. This frees up more time, allowing you to concentrate on the important aspects of your business and eliminates time spent on collating data, checking figures, and manual number crunching. ProudNumbers allows the data to tell its story to reveal important financial and operational information. It empowers managers to make informed strategic decisions, and therefore increase effectiveness of operational activities and remain competitive. ProudNumbers allows you to run reports monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly, or yearly to accurately analyze how past trends in revenues and expenses affect profitability. By tracking these trends, you can optimize your processes. ProudNumbers budgeting allows you to analyze performance with increased granularity, by offering more control over spending per department and enabling you to compare success of departments. Use your time wisely. Visit www.hexner.co.uk today.